Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best pool filter pumps for above-ground pools on the market, the BLACK+DECKER Variable Speed Pool Pump. If you're looking to upgrade your pool system, you'll want to stick around for this review. Let's kick things off with why the BLACK+DECKER pool pump stands out from the rest. This isn't just any ordinary pool pump. It's designed for efficiency and reliability, perfect for keeping your above-ground pool crystal clear throughout the season. First up, let's talk about performance. The BLACK+DECKER pump boasts a powerful 1 horsepower motor and a variable speed control that allows you to customize the flow rate according to your pool's needs. Whether you're running it at low speed for regular filtration or cranking it up for pool parties, this pump delivers. Now, one of the standout features here is its energy efficiency. Rated at 4.4 out of 5 for energy efficiency, it's designed to save you money on your electricity bill, while still providing exceptional suction power and maintaining a quiet operation. Installation is a breeze with the BLACK+DECKER pump. It's designed for easy setup and maintenance, which means you spend less time tinkering with your pool equipment and more time enjoying the water. Speaking of maintenance, the built-in filter basket ensures that debris and particles are captured before they reach your pool's filtration system, extending the life of your pool equipment and reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Now, let's address durability. Constructed from high-quality materials like durable plastic, this pump is built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service, making it a smart investment for any pool owner. Alright, let's sum it up. The BLACK+DECKER pool pump isn't just about functionality. It's about enhancing your pool experience with efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're a new pool owner or looking to upgrade, this pump ticks all the boxes. And there you have it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Decker pump or want to share your experience? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.